بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm here, your brother qari Muhammad Zafar Usmani. Today I will tell you about the style of Arab, the style of Egypt. Before that, I will tell you, I'm requesting from my viewer that, so do not skip this video. If you're new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friend, and press bell icon when I upload new video. Inshallah, new video will come to you. And like this video, do comment in comment section. So let's come to the point. I wrote here Arabic words, and there are 8 or 9 letters in Arabic. So it means that these are the name of complete maqamat. From each maqam, we took here single letter, and second and third we made here complete one word. So, and let's come to the English letter. I wrote here 9 letter here. It means that, so the ninth number maqam as well here, famous. It is the branch of this maqam, third as well. It's called maqam jiharka. So it is maqam ajam, but that's the branch is maqam jiharka. So these are the letter of maqamat in English. So if you don't know what is the meaning of these, so you can check out my video which I uploaded completely. I explained and wrote in English their name, maqamat name in English on whiteboard as well. You can take help from that video. Go back, you can check out. And let's come to the style up Arab and the style up Egypt. So what is the meaning of Arab style manner? The Arab style is that, so it's called tadwir and hadar. What is the meaning of tadwir and hadar? It means that, so when Arab scholar give a Jumat in the time of Jumat, when he recite on which speed, it called tadwir and hadar, not sound, uh, recitation speed. For example, hadar and tadwir. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. This is the manner and speed, recitation speed. It's called tadwir and hadr as well. So let's come to the second style of Misr, Egypt. So when you recite in any ceremony, in any program of any institute, and you recite Holy Quran with beautiful sound in assembly of a school, so when you want to recite in the style of Misr, you have to know that what is the meaning of tadwir, what is the meaning of tartil. Sorry, I wrote here uh, Egypt, Misr, recitation style called tartil. So when you want to recite Holy Quran in style of Egypt, Misr, in tartil. So I will give you example. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. صدق الله العظيم. This is the style of Misr, Egypt. So I hope you understand. So allow me, inshallah, I will see you with the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.